Most people have their coffee in the morning, but do you ever ask yourself how baristas are able to make that perfect morning cup of coffee for you? This is a day in the life of a barista where I'm going to be showing you the basic duties that baristas do in the morning. Being a barista takes more than just pushing a button on your espresso machine to make your perfect espresso for making the different coffee drinks. This is why I would like to request you to join me on my day working as a barista. Good morning, coffee lovers. I start my day by taking a 35-minute bus to my workplace across the beautiful city of Dubai. 6:45, I arrive at my workplace, walk down to the coffee shop, open it up and set up to start my duty working as a barista. So after opening up the coffee shop, then we're going to divide our duties. My colleague is going to help me set up the sitting area. Then I'm going to be setting up the espresso machine. I start by turning on all the coffee equipment, the coffee grinders and the espresso machine. But the most important thing is the espresso machine. You need to turn on the espresso machine as your first thing in the morning because it requires a bit of time to boil up the water to reach the desirable temperature for making your perfect cup of coffee. After backflashing your espresso machine and purging the steaming one, ensuring to have the stable to use espresso machine, then you can continue with cleaning the full bar and other areas of the coffee shop before the customers start coming in and you become busy. One thing that the morning coffee lovers have for breakfast are croissants. So you'll need to bake croissants so that you can be able to serve them together with your coffee, because this is the perfect combination with coffee for most of the morning coffee lovers. So after finishing our basic duties, then we're going to be dialing in our espresso machine and being able to make our first cup of coffee for the day that I'm going to be serving to my customers. If you're a coffee lover or a barista, you know how important it is to dial in your espresso machine and to be able to make a perfect shot of espresso. This will help you make other coffee drinks perfectly. So you need to follow a step-by-step guide on how to make a perfect shot of espresso. Each coffee shop has an espresso brew ratio that they follow, which is designed by the head barista so that every barista can follow and have the consistency when making their shot of espresso. This will help to keep the consistency whenever they are making other coffee drinks for the customers. After having a good extraction of your espresso, you'll need to test your espresso to see if you're having the perfect taste. Then you'll choose one of your best-selling milk-based coffee. For our coffee shop, it's a flat white. This is a milk-based coffee containing espresso with milk. So I'm going to be making a flat white to test if my espresso combined with milk can give me the perfect taste of a flat white. It's now 7:30 a.m. and the coffee shop is fully open to serve coffee. Customers are starting to come in. Soon it's going to be a morning rush hour. This is the period where so many orders are coming in from customers and we're going to be very busy. So let's start making these coffees. So as you can see, we are starting to become busy. This is the morning rush hour, and most of the people ask me how baristas handle this morning rush hour. The best advice I would give to any barista is to stay focused and work efficiently. Take the orders and make the coffee drink. Serve the pastries as quick as possible. It's very important to keep a positive mind and communicate very well with your co-workers so that you can ensure everything runs smoothly throughout the morning rush hour. This is part 1 of this video, a day in my life working as a barista. I've shown you the basic duties that baristas do at the start of the day. Watch out for part 2, where I'm going to be showing you more of how you interact with the customers, to show you the different customers making orders of their different coffee drinks and other more coffee brew methods that I have not been able to show you in this video. So watch until the end so that you can watch more of how we make these coffees as a barista.